Duper Crimes. Hello everyone and welcome back to Super Duper Crimes channel. Today we are going to draw and color something super fun, a cute little crab. Let's start drawing. First draw a big oval shape for the crab's body. Mark a circle at the top of the oval shape for eyes. A smiley face. Doesn't our crab look happy? Let's draw the claws. Draw curved lines on each side of the body. Now draw crab's leg. Now I am using this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Awesome! You are doing amazing! Finally, it's time to color in our crab. You can use red for the body. Orange for the claws. And purple for legs. Wow! Amazing! If you had fun drawing with us today, please like this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you next time! Let's draw and paint together a magical unicorn heart. Unicorn horn. Draw a big heart shape. Draw a beautiful unicorn wings on each side. Let's draw the unicorn to big sparkling eyes and little smile. And there you have it, a beautiful unicorn heart. Now I'm using this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Red. Pink. Yellow. Green. White. Blue. Wow! Amazing! Unicorn heart with bright color looks beautiful. If you like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Let's draw and color a fish. First draw a body and tail. Then draw the lips. And then fins. Don't forget to add a little circle for the eye. You can also draw a circle-like line for the scales. It's look beautiful. Yay, you did it! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's color. Yellow. Red. Blue. Orange. Wow, amazing! Fish with bright color looks beautiful. If you like this, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.